Hi, can you hear me?
Hey there. Yeah, I can hear you fine. What can I get started for you today?
Can you tell me what's there on the menu?
Sure thing. We've got pizzas like margarita and pepperoni feast, some tasty burgers like the classic wagyu and truffle mushroom, plus salads and drinks.
I want pepperoni pizza and a cola.
Got it. One pepperoni feast and one cola zero. Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
No problem. Could you give me your email for the receipt?
abc@gmail.com.
Got it. Order placed. Your food will be delivered in about 45 minutes. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Nope.
So this is a demo of AI calling agent and it was working for a restaurant. This is the site that can be added on the website. Like we can do the call, we can do the chat. It can also be added on your Instagram, Facebook page or any social media platform from where the customer can do the call, customer can do the chat. And this is the back end of the system, so it will save all the transcript. Like if I go into transcript, so here we can see like what was the chat that happened with the customer, and similarly we can see what are the orders that are open. If I just click on mark ready, order is ready to deliver, it will go into ready for shipment. Once the person deliver it, I will just mark it ship order, so that's delivered as well. Similarly, it will be working 24/7. It will be getting orders, so you don't have to put persons on the call. It will be taking orders, it will be handling everything, and you will get everything on your CRM, on your dashboard, so you can just prepare it and deliver it. Similarly, here you can update the menu. What are the things that are available? If the menu change or if the price change, that can be updated. And this is just a demo. We can add a lot of features here as per your need. Definitely, let's do the same thing. Let's try the same thing with chat. In chat we have the default options as well, so I just click these two things. I want to order it. Let's click on order. This sound good. Before I click place the order, could you please provide me your email? Let's try to play with it. I just selected two more options. Let's see what it says. So it's saying that got it, I have updated your order to this and this. I just need your email address so that I can process it. So I just say abc@gmail.com. So it will place the order and things will move accordingly. So this was the demo. If you want the same thing for your restaurant, that can be built, you can contact us. Thank you.